Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In this class, I am going to discuss JEE Mains September 2020 questions in differentiation. So I am going to discuss 4 questions. Now see the first question, what they are given. If a plus root 2b cos x into a minus root 2b cos y is equal to a square minus b square, then dy by dx at pi by 4 comma pi by 4. So here apply that uv rule. So a plus root 2b cos x, I am taking constant. Remaining term, observe that a derivative 0 minus root 2b cos y derivative minus sin y. This is minus into minus plus into dy by dx. Next, plus here a minus root 2b cos y is constant. Next function, do the differentiation. A differentiation 0 plus root 2b cos x differentiation minus sin x. That's why here write minus. That is equal to right hand side constant is there. We get 0. So here observe students, a plus root 2b cos x into root 2b sin y into dy by dx. So next term, send right hand side. This is negative. If you are done product, it is negative. Send right hand side, it is going to positive. Root 2b sin x into a minus root 2b cos y. Okay. Root 2b is cancelled. Now I am going to find dy by dx at pi by 4 comma pi by 4. That means in place of x and y, substitute pi by 4. First I am going to substitute in right hand side. A minus root 2b cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. And here sin x is there. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 divided by these values, send right hand side. Sin y, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, a plus root 2b into cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. Here observe the calculation, these two cancel and root 2 cancel. Here also root 2 cancel. Finally you are getting a minus b by a plus b. Don't decide, this is not answer. What they are asking, dx by dy value, but we got dy by dx. Write the reverse, dx by dy at pi by 4 comma pi by 4. That's value is a plus b by a minus b. This is the answer. This is also a very easy question. Third option correct. Now I am going to discuss the second question. If y alpha is equal to under root 2 into, here cot alpha is there. Cot alpha we can write 1 by tan alpha and take LCM, we get numerator tan square alpha plus 1 and LCM is coming into denominator. I am writing here tan alpha into 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, 1 plus sine square alpha. Next, students observe here, tan square alpha plus 1, 1 plus tan square alpha is cancel. Cancel. Remaining under root 1 by tan alpha is there, that is cot alpha or not, plus 1 by sine square alpha means cosecant square alpha. Cosecant square alpha means 1 by 1 plus cot square alpha. This is, we can write 1 plus cot alpha whole square. Then square root cancel, we get modulus 1 plus cot alpha. Why I am writing here modulus? Because alpha belongs to 3 pi by 4 to pi given. So that means it is lies in second quadrant. So we can expect y of alpha value is -1 minus cot alpha. Now do the differentiation, dy by d alpha, that is equal to this is 0 minus derivative of cot alpha minus cosecant square alpha, minus into minus plus dy by d alpha at alpha is equal to 5 pi by 6. Now cosecant square alpha, in place of alpha substitute 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means second quadrant, cosecant positive. That is, we can write pi minus pi by 6. 180 minus theta, theta will come. So we get cosecant square pi by 6. Cosecant pi by 6 value 2 square, that should be 4. First option correct. Here modulus of 1 plus cot alpha. So write that -1 minus cot alpha because they are given one interval here. If you are written 1 plus cot alpha, you will get answer -4, third option. Actually, that is wrong. That's why read the question carefully. Why they are given condition. Okay. That's why in maths, each and every condition is important. Next, I am going to discuss third question. See the third question, what they are given. X given 2 sine theta minus sine 2 theta. Do the differentiation with respect to theta. Dx by d theta 2 sine theta differentiation cos theta minus sine 2 theta differentiation cos 2 theta, internal derivative, we get 2. This is dx by d theta. Similarly, do that dy by d theta. What we get? 2 cos theta differentiation minus sine theta. Cos 2 theta differentiation minus sine 2 theta, minus into minus plus internal derivative 2. Okay. Now I am going to find dy by dx. That means second equation divided by first equation. Second equation, what is there? -2 sine theta plus 2 sine 2 theta divided by 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Here students, numerator and denominator take 2 common and it's going to cancel. It's going to cancel. So remaining, again do the differentiation with respect to x only. D by dx of dy by dx, that is equal to, with respect to x I am doing differentiation. Now denominator, what is there? Cos theta minus cos 2 theta whole square. Now here also cos theta minus cos 2 theta is constant. Okay. Remaining term, do the differentiation. Derivative of sine theta, cos theta. Derivative of 2 cos 2 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. We get, so I think here, 1 second students. Sine 2 theta differentiation. Sine theta derivative cos. Sine 2 theta differentiation. 2 cos 2 theta minus next, which is constant, minus sine theta plus sine 2 theta is constant. Derivative of next term, that means denominator term, cos theta differentiation minus sine theta minus to minus plus 2 sine 2 theta. I think it is going to lengthy now. It's going to lengthy. Then how to do that? There is no chance because denominator cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Okay. Or we can follow sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D. That method also we get answer. 1 second. Actually, this is a lengthy method. Okay, no problem. Up to here we are done now. Into finally, what will come? D theta by dx, each and every term. Every term. Now final step. D square y by dx square at theta is equal to pi. Substitute cos pi minus 1, cos 2 pi 1, minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 2 2, minus 0 plus 0, minus 0 plus 0, divided by cos theta minus cos 2 theta, cos pi minus 1, cos 361 whole square into d theta by dx. What is d theta by dx? This value only now. This is only d theta by dx by d theta. This d theta by dx means 1 by, substitute here 2 minus 1 minus 2 into 1. Now simplify this. Numerator minus 2 plus 1, overall minus 2 divided by, this is 4 into here 1 by minus 4. 2 2s are, overall answer is 1 by 8. Students, which option correct? First option. Once see the first option. 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 8. 1 second. Here we are done mistake. Minus cos pi plus 1. Here is the mistake, plus 1. So here we get 3 extra. Now answer is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is the answer, but minus 3 by 8 is there. One more mistake. So finally I got answer 3 by 8. This is the answer. Okay, I think somewhere mistake in key minus 3 by 8 is there. Minus 3 by 8. But see the first option 3 by 4. Okay. So somewhere mistake, calculation mistake, but procedure is same. I think question or answer. I don't know exactly answer. I'm done clear. I'm done, correct only. This is d theta by dx. Here we can write d theta by dx. Numerator only. Okay. Right. So this is also easy problem, but little bit calculation, lengthy calculation. Okay. Next question. See this, x power k plus y power k is equal to a power k, and dy by dx plus y by x whole power 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Then find k value. First here we need to find differentiation with respect to x. X power k differentiation, k into x power k minus 1 plus y power k differentiation, k into y power k minus 1 internal derivative dy by dx, that is equal to derivative of a power k 0. Divide on both sides with k into y power k minus 1. Divide on both sides k into y power k minus 1. Now here we get x power k minus 1 divided by y power k minus 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. By observing the question here, y by x is there, but here x by y. Write the reverse. Write the reverse. So dy by dx plus y by x whole power minus of k minus 1 is equal to 0. Compare these two. Compare these two. Then what happened? Minus k minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. K minus 1 minus 1 by 3. K value 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. This is the answer. Which option correct, students? Third option. This is easy only, but here we want to write the reverse. Reverse. Then only both representing same, then equate powers. So we get the answer k value 2 by 3. These are easy question only, but one or two questions lengthy. Yes or no? Right? Till now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Thank you.